but we made it to the Grand Canyon. We've been taking some photos and we're just trying to get some shots. A German gentleman came up to us whenever we leaned out towards one of the edges, and he's like, "Can I please take a photo of you? Doing an article for people that fall off the cliff." And it got us a little nervous, got me a little nervous. Stuff like that.
This close before.
It's crazy. Beautiful. If you've never seen the Grand Canyon in person, I highly suggest it. Put it on your bucket list. My teeth, like I feel it grinding.
Me too.
It's gross. My throat, I have it all in my throat. My throat feels really dry.
Let's go. Alright, so we're heading to the Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam.
We actually slept pretty good.
It was like 8 hours, like 8 or 9 hours. We were tired.
Yeah. It was cold, but not as cold as the first time.
Yeah.
Like, it felt really good. We're about, what, like 2 hours from the Hoover Dam?
Yeah, 2 hours. And then off to Vegas.
Yeah.
Our friends landed. They landed really early, but that's okay. We're not here for them. We're here for ourselves, so we're gonna go do that, then go to Vegas, check into the Airbnb, and then prepare to, I guess, party or something.
Can't wait to take a shower.
Yeah.
We haven't showered since...
I haven't showered in 3 days. Because I showered the night before we took off. Is when I
think I did too. That was no, but that was
3
Thursday.
days ago. It's now Saturday.
We left Friday. No, it's Sunday, babe. Today's
Sunday. So was that 4 days?
Okay, so we showered Thursday night.
Saturday, no, 3 days. 3 days.
We showered Thursday night to leave on Friday. So Friday, Saturday, I guess like 3 days.
Yeah, 3 straight days.
Yeah, my hair feels so gross. I just put a whole bunch of dry shampoo, and I guess it doesn't look that bad, but not that like greasy. Did the hobo shower, you know, wiped armpits and whatnot. But yeah, I can't wait to shower.
We stopped and took this back little trail off of the freeway. I don't know if you can see the freeway, but I'm about to show you some drone footage because I just brought out the Mavic. I'm gonna show off this landscape, which is actually pretty cool. Crystal's a little scared, but I know we'll be all right. She's worried about us reversing because she doesn't want to go further than that. So I'm gonna, you're not gonna die. I'm gonna reverse right here and then just go back down where we came from. She's worried, so she wanted to be out of the car.
I'm coming. I was just scared to go through. I almost fell. Okay. I got it on camera.
That was fun. That was a lot of fun. I got to fly the drone. This is the first time on the trip that I flew the drone. Thanks to DJI. Big shout out. If you're listening, send me some more stuff, please.
Because I want Tahoe to pass by earlier. I wonder what's on that side. Nah, let's just go. We're about to see more water over there. Oh, yeah. Now to the Hoover Dam.
Yeah.
Have you ever been there?
No, I've never been. I've never seen it in person. I've only synced it in pictures. away from an adventure, but it is really hot and we're ready to shower and get to our Airbnb to be able to just to rest from being in a car for like 3 or 4 days now. My voice sounds different because I'm thirsty.
So hot.
You're all hot and bothered.